Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making lemon bars. So to begin, we're just gonna be lining our pan with parchment paper. I am using a 9 by 9 inch pan. So, just wanna grab your parchment, eyeball it out. Then, we are going to be creating slits on each of the 4 corners so it fits nicely into the pan. Then you have a perfectly lined sheet, baking sheet pan. If you're not already following me on Instagram, head over there, follow me at Alessia Calcaño, then come back and watch this video. We're gonna slide that away and make the crust. So get a large bowl and we are going to be sifting in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, also at this point you want to start your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar, icing sugar, and confectioner's sugar are all the same types of sugar, so any one works. While I'm waiting for the butter to melt, I'm just gonna give the flour and sugar a spin. You want 12 tablespoons of butter and just add it into the mixture. Mix that up. Once it is all mixed, you are going to be getting a crumbly texture. Crumble. And what you want to do with that is pat it down. Now pop this into the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Now while the crust is baking, we're going to be making the filling. So in a food processor, I'm going to be using my Vitamix. We are going to be mixing 3 cups of sugar. 1 sugar. This is granulated now, not powdered. 2 sugar. 3 sugar. Now I'm grating in the zest of 3 lemons. Okay, so the blender did not work. I should have predicted that. So just cut up the lemon zest. Fine if you don't have a food processor, and just mix them together. You want a pale yellowish color. Put that aside, and then we will be making the filling. So to start, you want 1 cup of lemon juice. Use real lemons, tastes better. An easy way to do it is to shove a spoon inside and squeeze. It has been 20 minutes. We're going to take it out of the oven. Into a bowl, we are going to be putting our sugar and lemon zest mixture. Like I said, it is a pale yellow color. Half a cup of flour. Mixing that together. Next we will be adding our eggs. Make sure not to get any shells in there. If you want, you can crack them in a separate bowl and then dump them in. You want your eggs to be room temperature. Add your 1 cup of lemon juice and whisk her all up. Once it is all mixed together, pour it onto the crust. Ooh, scandalous. We will be putting this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Hi. I ended up leaving it in for 30 minutes. We will now be taking it out of the oven. Okay, so when it's done, you want the sides to be firm and the middle to be a little jiggly. Pop that in the fridge for 2 hours and then we'll be back to cut it. Okay, our last steps, final steps. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh my God. How do I get her out? You're gonna slide her out onto a plate. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on top for some, for some decoration. Ooh, ah. You cut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe and wash your hands.